bananas on a thunderous beat. In a jungle rhythm, he's got moves so neat. I'll shake those sheets in the jungle room to the drumming of the heart and the bamboo's bloom. We'll wait for the sound that disrupts the buds. He's making the clearing where the laughter reserves. You started telling for working so loud, echoes through the canopy, makes the birds proud. With a growl and a chuckle, he's the king of the game. In the jungle's chorus, he's got his own fame. How those gorilla chiefs next bird parade in the wild rhythm, the thunder serenade. With the buck general, the jungle's alive. It's a comical symphony where the grunts thrive. In the dynamic, the jungle's alive. It's a comical symphony where the grunts thrive. Read that break, the jungle drums alive. It's a comical symphony where the grunts thrive. The crack with jungle drums and that animal sound. In the depths of the jungle, where the wild things twerk, the gorilla and Nick, they've their own work with a cheeky grin and a bird so grand. And the unlucky duo in this wildland, as the sun dips low and the stars start to beat, the gorillas cheats and mixed birds, they don't sleep. In the moonlit groove, they dance and they leap. It's a jungle party in the night so deep. Oh, in this jungle saga, the hot street. So here's to the gorilla and to the next guy, street to street. In the harmony of chaos, they find a beat in this jungle saga. They're the hot street. So here's to the gorilla and to Nick's gas. In the jungle rhythm, the top class, where the belch and the bounce, they're the fun's keep. In the jungle song, they're the joy so deep.